If your ChatGPT chat list is getting a little too long and messy, today I will show you how to delete those conversations right from your mobile device. Alright, starting with the first method. When you have a chat conversation already open, look to the top right corner of your screen. You will see 3 vertical dots. Go ahead and tap on that. A small menu will appear. From there, select Delete option. A confirmation pop-up will appear. Go ahead and tap on Delete to confirm your choice. That conversation is now successfully deleted. Now, here's another way to do it. Tap the menu icon at the top to open your full chat list. You'll see all your previous conversations listed there. Find the specific chat you'd like to remove, then tap and hold it for just a second, then release. A small drop-down will appear. Tap on Delete from that menu. Again, a confirmation pop-up will come up. Go ahead and tap Delete to confirm. That chat is completely removed from your list. But what if you want to clear everything in one shot? Simply tap your profile icon at the bottom of the screen. Scroll down slightly until you see Data Controls, then tap on it. Scroll just a bit more, and you will find Clear Chat History option. Tap on it. A confirmation pop-up will appear. Tap on Clear Chat History to confirm. And with that, all your conversations are now successfully deleted. So, those are the 3 simple ways you can delete chats in ChatGPT on mobile.